Bebengamashumi 75 abantu abebengaphakathi kulesi sakhiwo khathi sibhidlika ngomsombuluko. Bangu-36 asebetakuliwe, bangu-39 abangakatakulwa, kanti-ke bayisikhombisa abashonile, bayi-16 abasesimweni esibucayi esibhedlela. Onjiniyela bazama ngawo wonke amandla ukuqhekeza usimende bafinyelele kwabangu-39 abangakatholakali.
The stage that we are in now it's a long and difficult stage because you now have to look for 39 bodies in a structure of 5 stories that have collapsed. So you literally have a building like that which is sitting here. Trying to find those bodies is very, very difficult. You have to break a lot of concrete.
Bathi kunzima ukubahlonza abanye ukuthi bangobani uma sebetholakele ngenxa yokuhlala isikhathi eside ngaphansi.
The people we retrieve, we can't immediately identify them. So it's a long wait for them.
Onjiniyela bazama ukuthola umkhondo wokuthi labo abangakatholakali bebemi kuphi begqokeni ngesikhathi kubhidlika lesakhiwo.
We've been able to build a picture of who was where and pretty much what they were wearing. And what we've done is we've overlaid that with our engineers on the building plan. So that's given us an indication more or less of where people would have been.
Amaphoyisa athi bakhona bazothathelwa izinyathelo, kodwa ke into emqoka njengamanje ukuthi kusindiswe impilo yabantu.
We treat it as a crime scene. So for now, what it was important for us was to ensure that lives are saved, and then anything else will follow.
Izakhamuzi ezazikhona ngesikhathi kwehla lomshophi zithi zisathukile namanje abehli ubuthongo ebusuku.
Asikwazi ulala ebusuku, sinabanye abazalana bethu nezazalana lamane zethu ezipha phansi kwalamhlaba. Nangoku sazanye into yoba mabakhutshwe. So bathe chu ngeprocess yokukhupha asazi ke oko uqala ngoMvulo kusenziwa lento abantu basengaphansi. Kodwa bathi bantu bakhona abasaphefumulayo noko abaleli ngaphansi komhlaba. Kusazanya ukukhutshwa bona. So singabahlali sisonke sitraumatize.
Izinhlangano ezihlinzeka ngosizo zinkanise kule ndawo ukuzosiza.
In situations like this, what we normally do, we normally support, the rescue personnel. What hot drinks or fluids, energy biscuits. It's normally a standard procedure that we do.
Nomphakathi waseGeorge usabele kwezwakala njengoba kubonakala nabasafundela ubudokotela bezonikela ngosizo lokuqala.
We are here to help. We see the heart of George, everybody in the surrounding areas. I want to thank you all for helping.
Ithimba labatakuli lizoba kule ndawo ongenani insuku ezintathu lithungatha abantu.